Ano guys, wala? Pwede. Kala ko ayaw mo lang ganyan. Oh, pwede na yun. Yan na yan anak, gusto mo yan? Anong you don't know?
No, you're not sure.
That's pretty cute.
Tell me.
That's nice.
This one cute anak.
One over there. Which one?
You want this one?
Yeah.
Ito maganda yan baba.
You like it?
Cut it. Look at this scale.
Daddy will cut it. Anak, that's very sharp baby. Ito na lang?
Finally, you choose. Or else if you cut and then you don't like it, and then you're gonna charge you lots of money.
You want me to cut this one?
Ah.
Sige, kakat na.
Alright guys, this is it.
Sige nga.
No.
Come on guys.
Paano mag-cut ang taga-Canada? Marunong ka ba niyan?
Ah? Yeah, alisin mo muna yung arrow na. Dapat muna.
Oo.
Tignan mo yan
Dapat
ang
nagdala ka ng
liliit eh.
gloves. Yeah.
Kinuha yung mama.
Hindi lang ba yun natin naputulong?
Ha?
Madali lang naputulong.
Mahirap din siguro.
And then ito na, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ko naman na. Yeah.
Help daddy there. Come on, I'll take a picture of you there. Come on.
Like you're not.
No, I'm just cutting the branches para makat ko.
Nagpakahirap na ikat.
Pagkabulong na ano.
Opo. You like it, ma?
Yeah, yeah.
That's good.
Parang curly-curly.
Oo. Sabi nga ni Che, maganda yung yung pagkadahon niya. Oo.
Akala ko kunin yung mama kanina kasi tinitignan.
Oo.
Diba?
Yeah, oo. Yeah.
Malapit na? Kailangan natin ng tali, ate.
Oo.
Ito guys.
Kailangan ng tali para Maanuhan ako. Madagan na ako.
Baka madagan ang kanganing.
Madagan na ako. Bigat na charot. Hindi, gumplong.
Yeah, bigat yan.
Hindi. Sabi mo. Ramigo. Parang malapit na. Emily, parang malapit na, Emily.
Yun.
Nararamdaman ko na bubol na siya, Emily. Emily!
Wala siya. Ano ka mo lang ah.
Oo. Madali lang palang putulin.
Yan ah. Hawakan mo please.
Sa video, parang ang ganda-ganda ng Christmas tree. Oh, wow. Ayan. Yan ipadala mo kay Akisha at kay kay Omar. Ayan. Linisin mo yung nasa ibaba. Yay! Yeah, good job. Clean the bottom, Han.
Ipahiga mo muna. Kiluhin nila to kasama pa yung mga anak. Wala ate, may ano na
Oo. Aww. Sayang naman yung nung ibon. Oh, the nest. Oh.
There's a nest.
There's a bird's nest, anak. Look, oh.
To make your own nest.
You wanna take that home, anak?
Yeah, you can put that thing here.
Yeah! Oo. Take that home, anak.
Okay, we will take out this one. Like this
Ah,
only. Hold like that.
yeah.
Papa Jesus, di ba yun?
Yeah.
Saan ba yun? Sa
Yung
Sabsaban?
ano, sabsaban.
Don't destroy it like this. Okay, I will hold it. Can I hold? Or you will be the one to hold? You can hold it. Okay, like that only. Bumili ka din ng
Oo.
mali ng Papa Jesus.
Yeah. Baka masira yung ibang dahon na.
Hindi, yan lang.
Lininisan ko lang, baby.
Yan sa baba.
Ma, it's okay.
Okay, will you go par? Baka malagari ka.
I know. Yes.
Ito na for decoration.
Yeah, we'll put that as decoration.
Nasaan yung mga iba?
Ilagay niyo yung sa baba niya.
Look, Mama, I found the nest.
Mm.
Birds are good. I found my
Yes.
nest. Look, guys.
I see. Oh, let me see your nest. Bird's nest. Yeah.
Sabay ko lang ito baba para...
Okay, here.
Look, Lola.
Baby, baby?
No.
Ikat ko lang yung pot ko lang.
Ayan. See? Yan pala. Anak, move there, baba.
Here mo lang. Yeah, parang ma-straight mo yan.
Oh.
Look, Lola, I found a
Yeah. You keep that.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Anong pagpapatungan niyo ate?
Bibili nung metal na lalagyan ng water.
Alright. Okay,
Yeah.
Look, Dad.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Alright. Ito na yun, guys.
This is it. Yan, ma, take that home.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
Woohoo!
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, yeah.
Hmm?
Can we bring this home?
Yes, that's why you're carrying it now.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
can I put it on the tree when we're done decorating it?
Yes, of course.
Will it die?
No, there's nothing in it. There's no bird. It's just a nest.
I can put my toy in there.
Mhm.
Go.
Dito, ikaw magkakat. Hindi ka gaya dyan na...
Can I see it? Hi.
Bumili, ay Edwin, kung daw naka-ready na, bibili ka na lang. Eh dito, yung sariling sikat sa Greece.
I found the nest.
May nest pa kaming nakita.
Insan.
Ay, insan daw. Si Edwin, ang dami namin nakita. Dinaanan. Ay, maganda.
So, Han, bye ka na.
Ah?
Nangangawit na ako.
Bye, guys.
Okay.